Hi, this is Heidi from Garden Crossings, and I'm out in our perennial patio today at the garden center. And here in front of us I have a new vintage red Achillea. This is a great drought tolerant plant that gets 12 to 14 inches tall and wide, creating a nice mounding habit. It is deer and rabbit resistant, so it's great if you've got critters in your garden. It makes a beautiful cut flower, and it's just a nice long blooming perennial for your garden or landscape. I'm going to slide over a little bit and show you new vintage rose. Again, part of the same family, same attributes, drought tolerant, deer and rabbit resistant. This one here is just a little bit more of a rosy color, where the other one was the red. This is Heidi from Garden Crossings with the new vintage Achillea family. Thank you.